Hi, my name is Karina Geranios and I am a graduate of Utah Tech University. I graduated in 2022 with my degree in population health with an emphasis in public health. I currently am pursuing my master's degree at the University of Michigan. I'm in my second year, and I also work for the Huntsman Cancer Institute. So I feel very honored to have received so many accolades from Utah Tech. It's not something I was necessarily expecting in my program, but having those on my CV has really bolstered my opportunities. I overcame a lot of challenges early on in my academic career. When I first started attending college, right after high school, I didn't do so well. I didn't know what I wanted to do. I was kind of all over the place. Then I had a child, and then didn't go to school for a while, and then I returned. If I can do it, I think it shows that anyone can if they put their minds to it. So my time at Utah Tech was really multifaceted. I had a lot of opportunities, not just in my academic and research pursuits, but I had the opportunity to intern at the Booth Wellness Center and then also work at the Booth Wellness Center as a COVID case investigator and contact tracer. And I was also able to connect with the campus community as a whole, both with students and faculty in that role. So I really appreciated that, and it kind of clarified what I wanted to do in my career and academic pursuits. I felt very prepared with my time at Utah Tech. A lot of the principles I learned in my studies here in population and public health have been well applied in my graduate studies. I was kind of worried about repetitive information because they're both population and public health degrees, but really they've complemented each other. So I think public health is going through a really exciting time right now. I know COVID has been really devastating, but one good thing that's come out of it is kind of the awareness of public health and the importance of public health. I see a lot of opportunities in two areas specifically. One is environmental health. So there's a lot of opportunities for people to work in monitoring air quality, for example, water quality, and then working within workplaces to identify safety hazards and promoting healthy workplaces. Another area that is going to see a lot of growth in my mind is epidemiology, and that's what I'm currently studying. But epidemiology is very data-oriented, of course. It's kind of the backbone of public health, so we apply the frameworks of epidemiology into how we track, how we mitigate, and how we prevent diseases. So applying those principles is really going to be important in a lot of sectors. So health insurance companies, governments, all sorts of industries you might not even think of are going to apply those epidemiological methods. So I think ultimately environmental health and epidemiology are going to be the two most lucrative fields to pursue within public health. But I think overall, as a whole, I think every area of public health is going to see a lot of growth.